Imagine you're standing at the edge of a cliff, staring into the abyss. You know there's a limit, a point where you can't go any further without falling. But what exactly is that limit? Today, we're going to explore the limits of BeforePay, a financial tool that promises to give you money before you earn it. But how far can you push it before you hit the wall? What is BeforePay? BeforePay is a financial service that allows you to access a portion of your upcoming paycheck before your official payday. It's like a pre-approved loan, but with fewer fees and a faster approval process. But how far can you go before you start to feel the pinch? Understanding limits. Every financial tool has its limits, and BeforePay is no exception. These limits can be influenced by several factors, including your employment status. The more stable your job is, the higher your limit is likely to be. Your income. The more you earn, the more you can borrow. Your credit history. A good credit score can increase your borrowing limit. BeforePay's internal policies. The specific limits and terms can vary depending on the provider. The dangers of overextending. While BeforePay can be a lifesaver in a pinch, it's important to use it responsibly. Overextending your limit can lead to a cycle of debt that's difficult to break free from. Some of the risks include increased interest rates. If you consistently use BeforePay to cover essential expenses, you may find yourself paying higher interest rates on other loans. Damage to your credit score. Late payments or missed payments can negatively impact your credit score, making it harder to obtain loans in the future. Financial stress. The pressure of carrying debt can lead to increased stress and anxiety. Finding the right balance. The key to using BeforePay effectively is to find the right balance. Here are some tips to help you avoid overextending your limit. Create a budget. Understand your income and expenses to determine how much you can afford to borrow. Use BeforePay for emergencies only. Reserve it for unexpected expenses rather than using it for everyday purchases. Pay off your balance in full. Make it a priority to repay your BeforePay balance in full as soon as possible. Consider alternative options. Explore other financial options, such as budgeting tools or personal loans, before turning to BeforePay. The highest limit BeforePay allows depends on various factors, including your employment status, income, credit history, and the specific provider's policies. While it can be a helpful financial tool, it's important to use it responsibly to avoid negative consequences. By understanding the limits and risks, you can make informed decisions and use BeforePay to your advantage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.